Hey there, so I got a cool birthday gift in the mail this year. Had no clue what it was when I opened it up or where it came from, but when I opened it up, it was starting lineup talking baseball. And I remember playing this game when I was a kid, which was a few years back now. And I think my mom ended up finding it on eBay and sending it to me. But it's the real thing. You can see it's got, tells all about it. It's even got the original price tag on here. Originally $89.99, and on sale, the sale price was $39.96. This is a few years back, of course, so crazy. Anyway, I remember this being a lot of fun, and so I thought I'd unbox it here and see what it's like, because I don't think there's many of these around anymore. Just looking at the box, the most realistic electronic baseball game you ever play with real players. I mean, this was cool, and I think I remember it back in maybe the 80s, I think it was late 80s when it came out. There we go. 1988 MLB PA. So, yeah, from the late 80s. And it was a lot of fun, as I recall. I remember playing with my dad. For 1 or 2 players, ages 10 to adult. Yeah, and there's that price sticker too. Crazy. You got this for a deal back in '89. Anyway, it was pretty cool to see that my mom sent this. So without further ado, let's open it up. Here we go. Wow. Yeah, that's pretty cool. Still got all the cards intact. Not even like dust and stuff. There's one of the cartridges on the side. So here we are. That's what it looked like just a few years back. It's got the Talking Baseball 10 to Adult Instruction Guide. Comes with decals there. And rules and equipment. Oh, and some verbal cues. And here is the game. It's very well packaged for as old as it is. And there's the battery compartment. So we got a scorecard. Looks like it's missing the battery cover, maybe. But overall, that's pretty good. He probably never took these out. And I bet you this just slips out the Hall of Fame baseball cartridge. Yeah. All right. Well, I'm going to grab some batteries and we're going to get this thing loaded up. Give it a try. It's been a while since I've put C batteries in anything. Alright, so we're going to put the Hall of Fame cartridge in to one of the cartridges here.
Can I be the Hall of Fame team?
You going to be the Hall of Fame? And then we're going to find the Twins because they're the best team ever. There it is. Okay, so I'll open that up. Can you open that one? This is from 1988. Do you know how old that is?
That's like when you were 8 years old.
Dad, it must have been pretty like.
Okay, so we have
high tech.
New York, Boston, and Baltimore. Minnesota.
Minnesota, that's the one I want. I want Kirby. Kirby and Herbeck.
Dad, it like pretty good technology back then. Like
It was kind of cool, cause it like it talks to you. It's kind of like you're controlling the radio. All right, pop that in the cartridge there.
I don't want to force it.
Now you do have to give it a little bit of pressure. There. All right, you ready? Should we click it on?
Okay.
We're gonna go to player. Let's see if it works. Moment of truth.
ParkerBrothers baseball. It's the national team and the American team.
Will there be two players? Put in yes or no. So now you have to say yes.
Yes, there will be two players. Texas is the away team and will bat first. It's the home team and will start in the field. Do you want to change this setup?
Okay, yes.
Yes. Do you want to change the team?
Yes.
Yes. First, put in the team number of the home team.
115 is Minnesota.
115 115 Minnesota. Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Put in the team number of the away team. 118 118 Seattle. Okay. Yes. Seattle is the away team and will bat first. Minnesota is the home team and will start in the field. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. Do you want to look at the lineup for Minnesota?
Sure.
Yes. Do you want to hear the starting lineup? Yes.
Sure.
The starting lineup for Minnesota. Gladden will bat first and play in left. Batting second, Burdick at first. Puckett will bat third and play in center. Batting fourth, Gaetti at third. Baylor will bat fifth and play the DH. Batting sixth, Lombardozzi at second. Batting seventh, Brunansky in right. Batting eighth, Gagne at short. Laudner will bat ninth and play the catcher. Viola is the pitcher. Do you want to put in an all-new lineup?
No.
No. Do you want to look at the lineup for Seattle?
No.
No. Do you want to start in the first inning?
Yes.
Sure.
Yes. Do you want a fast pitch game?
No.
No.
We'll start
The
off
game
slow.
is ready to play. It's time to play ball.
All right.
Minnesota takes the field. Seattle coming up.
Do you want me to be Seattle?
Hickory
I'll be
leading
Seattle.
off, hitting 280.
Okay, we gotta switch this around.
He takes
Why?
a long look.
Because you got the swing. Now I'm gonna click on what pitch I want. Do you see the swing?
Yeah.
All right.
He takes it. Pitcher's ready. The pitch on the way. Slow ground ball to first. Perfect charges. Throws to first. He's out. One away. Next up, Bradley hitting 297. He looks. Viola takes it. He's set. Here comes the pitch. Foul ball. Out of play. The pitcher takes a look. He takes it. He's set to deliver. Here it comes. Swing and a miss. Strike two. He looks in for the sign. He takes the sign. The pitcher sets the pitch. Swing and a miss. Strike three. Bradley goes down on strikes. Two away.
Wait, how do I know when to swing?
Davis
That's
coming
what I was
up,
gonna look and try to
hitting
find you.
295.
But I'll look before I play.
The pitcher wants the sign. He's set. Here comes the pitch. They're going to put him on. Davis gets a base on balls.
I gave you an intentional walk.
Why?
Now you can see what it looks like with someone on base.
Coming up, hitting 247. The pitcher takes a look.
And you got steel buttons and stuff too.
He takes the sign. He's set to deliver. The throw to first. He's back. He looks in. He takes the sign. He's set. Here it comes. Pitch out. The runner's not going. He looks in for the sign. He gets the sign. He sets the pitch on the way. Swing and a miss. Strike one. Pitcher looks for the sign. He's ready. Here comes the pitch. The steal is on. Fouled back. Out of play. He takes a long look. Viola takes the sign. Pitcher ready. The throw to first. He's back. He looks in for the sign. Viola takes it. He sets the throw to first. They got him off base. The throw to second. Back to first. And he makes the tag.
Yeah.
Line retired. Here comes the pitch. Swing and a miss. Strike three. Gladden goes down on strike.
Gladden.
One away.
All right.
Burbeck coming up. Hitting 285. The pitcher takes a look. Langston takes it. He sets. Here comes the pitch. Swing and a ground ball to second. Reynolds moves over. Throws to first. He's out. 2 away.
All right, Pockets up.
Puckett coming up.
Yeah,
Hitting
Puckett.
332.
332. How about
The
that?
pitcher takes a look. Infield in.
Okay.
He gets it. He sets. The pitch. Slow ground ball to third. Presley coming hard. He drops the ball.
Oh!
Now he's got it. Throws to first. He's safe.
All right, Pockets on first.
Next up, Gray hitting 257.
All right, come on, guy.
Pitcher takes a look. Langston takes it. The pitcher sets. The pitch. High fly. Deep to the
Go, go, go.
He goes back fast. And makes
Oh, I thought it was gonna be
line
gone.
retired. With the score, Seattle nothing. Minnesota nothing. In the top of the second, Seattle coming up. Clemens takes the
Don't pinch
line.
hitter, Lou Gehrig.
How do I, Dad, would this be inside?
Nope, that'd be middle.
On the mound,
Would I
Clemens.
press this?
Yep, you can press three buttons if you want to kind of show the path you're trying to throw it.
Oh.
One out at the bottom of the first. There's going to be a new hitter. Put in the player number of the pinch hitter.
Hit cancel.
No change.
That's where you need the baseball card decks. Because they have the numbers of who you can pinch substitute.
He's ready. The pitch on the way. Long fly ball to center. Henderson goes back. Way back. Taps the ball. Gone for good. Home run.
Yes.
Gehrig will score with the score.
I'm
Gehrig
glad I didn't
won.
substitute
The
him.
Hall of Fame team. The pitch. High fly. Deep to right. Winfield goes back.
Is it back to back?
He has it. 2 away.
So suspenseful.
Babe Ruth coming up. Hitting 342.
Babe Ruth.
He takes a long look. There's going to be a new hitter. Put in the player number of the pinch hitter. No change.
You're crazy. All right, so this has been a lot of fun playing. Even my kids, 9 and 11, here in 2020, say this baseball game is a lot of
No
fun.
one out.
So
In the
it's held
top
up
of the
well
third.
over since 1988, and it's fun to have again. So
mound, Walter
hope you've enjoyed it. We're gonna keep enjoying it for a while. So thanks.